Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching Restaurant Remake. Today I am actually going to make a green curry. Yes, it's originated from Thailand. So this is a very famous Thai cuisine, the green curry. And I will be using my Creuset Tagine to make this green curry. Alright, let me show you how I'm gonna get started with using the tagine and to prepare my green curry. These are the ingredients to prepare our green curry. Alright, so in a medium-high heat, we're gonna heat up our tagine pot first. Gonna add in some oil. Gonna add our ginger in. So 3 pieces of ginger. Okay, add in our minced garlic. Add in our shallot. Alright, then we're gonna add in our green curry paste. Okay, we're gonna add in our fish sauce. Okay, we're gonna add in our chicken right now. Alright, so we're gonna kind of stir fry the chicken a little bit first with the green curry paste. And that's very important. That will really absorb the green curry flavor into the chicken. Alright, gonna add in our bamboo shoot. Gonna add in our baby corn. Finally, we're gonna add in our Thai eggplants. So give this a good stir. Alright, we're gonna add in our coconut milk right now. And then followed by 1 cup of chicken stock. Alright, let's give it a little stir. Once everything in except the red chili pepper, we're gonna close our lid. Alright, we're gonna lower our heat to a medium-low, and we're going to let this cook for 30 minutes. Now, whenever you are serving your Thai curry, you always want some jasmine rice. So I made some jasmine rice here. And let me just go ahead and get a scoop of rice in my bowl. Alright, let's take a look at our green curry here. Ooh, wow. Alright, so if you serve it like this, if you want to serve it as a whole to the table, I recommend you can put some evaporated milk on there. And there's a nice contrast. Or you can, put more coconut milk. And there we have some nice contrast here if you look into it. Alright, so now I'm going to put some green curry into my bowl of rice. Chicken looks nice. The vegetable looks good. Ooh, the sauce looks yummy. And finally, I top it off with my basil. And this is a Thai basil. And you can squeeze in some lime juice as well. Voila! And now it's time for the taste test. Alright, smells really good. Okay, get a little chicken, some vegetable, bamboo shoot, everything in one bite here. Okay, definitely on the spicier side, so if you want less spicy, you can put less of the green curry paste. Overall, I really enjoyed this dish. This is one of our favorite. Okay, let's try the Thai eggplant here. It's good. just like a regular eggplant. Less mushier. So overall, I really enjoyed this dish. So thanks for watching another episode of the Restaurant Remake, and this is the Thai green curry here. And if you like what you see in terms of the green Thai curry and you want to try it out, I highly recommend you trying out at home, and let us know how it works out for you and what you think about the taste. And don't forget to subscribe to our food travel shopping channel and hit the like button as well, and also the bell notification as well, so that you can get the latest video and update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Restaurant Remake.